First, let's talk about our top story today. We know across the country and here in South Carolina, many parents face a huge challenge when it comes to finding good daycare and then paying for it. So business leaders say the economic impact of a child care shortage in South Carolina is $1.4 billion a year.
News 19's Becky Buds has more on how one state agency is working to make child care more affordable for thousands of families.
For years, many families were eligible for these scholarships thanks to federal COVID-19 funding, which has now expired. DSS is hoping to bridge the gap left behind.
Emily Mann says finding quality childcare was like finding a needle in a haystack.
The whole experience was stressful and negative from beginning to end.
When the cost was more than she was making at her job, she quit and became a stay-at-home mom.
Best time of my life, hardest time of my life, definitely the toughest job I've ever had.
Mann isn't alone, which is why the South Carolina Department of Social Services is now urging lawmakers to allocate $10 million in this year's budget for child care scholarships benefiting nearly 3,000 kids.
Childcare is a necessity for parents, especially working moms looking to come back into the workforce. And we want to make sure that it is safe, it's affordable, and it really is a quality program that's accessible to the public.
A family of three, for example, would have to make between $64,000 and $74,000 a year to be eligible. Families making below this already qualify for state assistance.
I mean, I think that's a great thing to do. Obviously, anytime families need assistance with their children, I'm 100% in support of that.
The agency is not just asking for money for the young, but also the elderly. They're hoping to expand the Senior Farmers Market Nutrition Program by an additional 10,000 vouchers.
Currently 100% federally funded. We had over 2,800 seniors on a waiting list for the program this year. We had over 8 counties that had to cancel their distribution because once the vouchers go, they're gone.
The agency is also asking for funding to raise foster parent board rates and group home rates across the state. Reporting in Columbia, Becky Buds, News 19 WLTX.
Becky, thank you. A new joint committee focused on addressing the child care issue through legislative action met for the very first time today.